2005 Mercury 4-stroke 90 horsepower. What you're gonna want to do, take this, it's not an emblem, it's actually a lever. Flip that up, come around this side, another lever there. So once those are removed, take the cover off, set it aside. Where's the spark plugs on my 2005 90 horse Mercury 4-stroke? Well, right here is the cover. You're gonna need a 10 millimeter to get out 4 screws, 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get that out. Takes a little bit of finesse. You have 3 spark plugs. 1, 2, 3. Mine happens to be an NGK LFR5A. Looks like a 2 lines, maybe it's 11. Seems kind of brown. Looks good. I don't know. I'm gonna change them out anyways. But way back in there, let's just pull off. Let's get mine out to swap them out. So you need a socket. This is what I use. I need 2 extensions. I don't have a long one. Not sure what size that one is. 5/8. I had to use this to get it out. All right, so I'm going to take off 4 of these screws holding this cover on with a looks like 3/8. That's the 3rd one. There's the 4th one. We have to take the extension off. Show you that cover once off. So there's the 3 spark plugs. 1, 2, 3. Get these little areas that hold them on. Just grab on the end, pull it off, keep them in the right order. You can see it's in there quite a ways. You're gonna need a 3/8 with an extension. 5/8, I mean. Flip it around so you can see it. 5/8. You'll need it to put it in and take it out. So you'll actually need 2 extensions to get all the way back in there, or 1 long one. And we'll use that to thread it back in without the ratchet on there. And once it's all the way out, I can't tell, you'll be able to pull it out with this. Oh, it's not done yet. Be easier to do this not on camera. But that was probably done the whole time. So there it is. There might be a little bit of fuel on there, I can't tell. That's an NKGR. LFR5A11. LFR5A11. Hopefully you can see that. I'll be switching those out with what I got new from Amazon. These are the exact same ones. I think I paid $40 for them. 6376 stock number. It's a 4-pack. I'll have to post up what I actually paid for them. I don't think it was 40. I'll stick those in, and I'm not going to show you. I'm just going to do one at a time so I don't misplace these cables, and probably show you when I'm done. This is what I meant by threading them in. Stick it in there. Start it with your hand, tighten it down with the wrench. You don't strip anything out or misthread it. Do it as far as you can. There, it stopped. Put your wrench on. I don't know what the torque spec is, but just get it tight. That's it. Plug end back on. Let's see. I'm gonna do that off camera. As you can see, you got the top one put back together. Move on to the next one down, and the next one. Just don't mess up your cables. Second one looks dry and brown. Slap the next one in and start it by hand. So the bottom's out. Can't do it by hand. Tighten it with your wrench. There's the fourth one. So I'm switching this one out too. Same thing, tighten them down as much as you can by hand. Get the box end back on there, or socket back on there. Third cable tucked up there. Fourth one down below. You can see these little harnesses that they go on. The screw goes through the middle of it for the cover. Get this one tightened up and put it all back together. As you can see, there's just enough room to get that in there. Now it's time to put this cover back on, so you can see the 4 holes. This one on the left, this edge right there, there's a hose. This line here, you gotta get this around that. So as you get it in here, push this back. Push this guy back. Move this out of your way. You probably can't see. You can move that around. That's what it gets hooked on. Not a lot of room for this guy. That's almost the end of my video. Hope you like watching me change the spark plugs in this 2005 90 horse 4-stroke Mercury electronic fuel injection. This is it right here. All done. Let's check these ones quick. Tight. All I gotta do is put the cowl back on, which is also called the cover. That will be it. I'll do a little lake test later on today. Maybe I'll add it to the video, maybe I won't. But there you have it. All done. 4 spark plugs changed out. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I also suggest putting the motor down while you're working on it. And putting it back on the motor jack, motor stand. Thanks for watching.